Hello everyone, welcome back. So, if you have ever wondered what the difference is between Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet, you are not alone. Many people think they are the same, but they actually serve very different purposes. So, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which is right for you. So, without further delay, let's get straight into this video. First of all, what is Coinbase Exchange? So, Coinbase Exchange is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade your cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. And if I talk about the features of the Coinbase Exchange, it is beginner friendly, which makes it very easy to get started with crypto. You can connect your bank account or credit card with it in order to buy your crypto instantly. When you use Coinbase, your crypto is stored in their custody, meaning Coinbase holds your private keys. This makes Coinbase Exchange great for people who want convenience and don't want to worry about the managing their own keys. But keep in mind that it is as secure as self custody because you are trusting Coinbase to keep your funds safe. Now, let's talk about what is Coinbase Wallet. So, despite the name, Coinbase Wallet is completely separate from the Coinbase Exchange. And here is what makes Coinbase Wallet unique. With the Coinbase Wallet, you can control your private keys, which means you are fully in charge of your crypto. It allows you to connect to decentralized application, in short we called dApps, like DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and games. Unlike Coinbase Exchange, which focuses on buying and selling, Coinbase Wallet supports various blockchains, making it versatile for crypto enthusiasts. It is ideal for people who want more control over their assets and who are interested in exploring the decentralized web. Now that we have covered the basics, let's compare them side by side. First, let's talk about control. So, Coinbase is custodial, meaning that they manage your crypto for you, whereas Coinbase Wallet is non custodial, so you have full control. If we talk about the purpose, Coinbase is a exchange where you can trade crypto, whereas Coinbase Wallet is a tool for managing and using your crypto independently. If we talk about the security, with Coinbase, you will have these strong security measures. Using Coinbase wallets gives you the ultimate security since only you have the private keys. If we talk about the features, in Coinbase wallet, you get the advanced features like connecting to the dApps and managing NFTs, which Coinbase Exchange doesn't actually offer. So, if you are just starting out and want to keep things simple, Coinbase Exchange is a simple choice. But if you are ready to dive deeper into the world of crypto, Coinbase Wallet is the way to go. Now, the good news is that you can use both. So, many people start by buying crypto on Coinbase and then transfer it to the Coinbase wallet for added security and flexibility. So, here, in order to do that, you just have to simply open both the application, and in the Coinbase window, you will be able to see the withdraw option. So, you just have to simply withdraw the crypto from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet. So once the transfer is completed, your funds are securely stored in your Coinbase wallet and it will show up over here in the crypto section. And from here, you can easily explore all of the decentralized features. So that's the difference between Coinbase Exchange and Coinbase Wallet. So to sum it up, Coinbase is like your on ramp to the crypto world, while Coinbase Wallet is your gateway to full control and the decentralized web. Now, which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple crypto guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.